Good morning, it's Tuesday, the 17th of October. I'm Sam Kennard, a market analyst at Bell Direct. Wall Street rallied overnight following the release of positive corporate earnings despite rising treasury yields. The Dow Jones rose 0.93%, the S&P 500 closed 1.06% higher, and the tech-heavy-Nasdaq ended Monday 1.2% in the green. In terms of US stocks, Nike and Travelers companies led the way up 2.1% each, with all 11 sectors in the S&P 500 trading higher. Earnings season is ramping up with Johnson & Johnson, Bank of America, Netflix and Tesla all set to release results this week. Charles Schwab closed 4.7% higher overnight after exceeding expectations for earnings per share in the third quarter. This followed with JPMorgan Chase, Wells Fargo and United Health all posting positive quarterly results. Over in Europe, markets ended Monday in the green as investors react to the escalating war in the Middle East. The Stoxx 600 rose by 0.2%. Led by retail stocks, which gained 2%. Germany's DAX and the French CAC rose by 0.34% and 0.27% respectively, with the UK's FTSE 100 also jumping 0.41% overnight. Locally yesterday, the ASX 200 closed 0.35% lower, with 8 out of the 11 sectors finishing in the red, led by losses in the information technology sector of 2.79%. However, this was slightly offset by the energy sector, which saw a 0.63% increase on Monday. As for what to watch locally today, the Australian share market is set to open higher, with SPI futures suggesting a rise of 0.68% at the open this morning. In terms of economic data today, the RBA meeting minutes will be released following the decision to leave the cash rate unchanged at 4.1%. On the commodities front this morning, oil is down 0.79% to $87 a barrel as traders continue to look at the Hamas-Israel war and the effect it will have on global oil supply. Gold is down 1% to $1,912 an ounce as once again investors await on the impacts the Middle East war will have on the global economy, which may have adverse effects on the precious metal. And iron ore is up 2.58% to $119.50 a ton, with Beijing announcing that it is considering raising its budget deficit this year to deliver a fresh round of stimulus for new infrastructure projects. And now to end on some trading ideas for your consideration today. Trading Central has identified a bearish signal in Johns Lyng Group, indicating that the stock price may fall from the close of $6.22 to the range of $5.60 to $5.70 over a pattern formed in 34 days according to the standard principles of technical analysis. And Trading Central identifies a bullish signal on Perseus Mining, indicating that the stock price may rise from the close of $1.65 to the range of $1.94 to $2 over a pattern formed over 20 days according to the standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this morning. We hope you have a great day, and as always, happy trading.